Flamingos! Parakeets! You're like, no, can't keep up with your dancing. It's the dead of summer. Welcome to our video today. Bonnie and I are here with our hair pulled back, our fun earrings out, and we are going to be doing a summer makeup look.
I think my favorite thing to do, and like it just feels really good, is to like get your hair off of your face, and it doesn't even matter what it looks like because it's summer and it's hot and everyone's sweating. And when my hair is back, I always feel better with like earrings. And come on, look at our earrings.
Are they so fun? We actually are going to switch when we're done. I like hers better. She likes mine.
I like hers better. I was going to buy those, but I was like, Ellie has them. I shouldn't. And then when I saw these, I was like, flamingos! Parakeets! They're friends. They really are. They're friends.
So we're fun. I love you. We're going to be doing our makeup today. Let's just jump into it.
Yeah.
I have to start off in the summer. I don't like to wear like a ton of concealer, a ton of foundation. So this is a bolliebrand eye corrector. And I don't put a ton under my eye because it will crease like crazy. Just in the hollowness and the darkness of my eyes, I will tap like twice. And then I will just blend it in with my finger. And it just brightens it up and covers those dark circles.
When we started the video, Ellie was like, are we going to do like a lightweight summertime look? And I was like, well, I just never do a lightweight summertime look. Like I always just put a full face of makeup on. The only difference is I've showed you guys this product before. It's the Hydra Fluid by Pure. Ellie showed it to me. I love putting this in my foundation because it makes you so much more... It matches your tan when you get a tan, and you don't have to change up your foundation if you don't want to.
And I feel like it just makes your foundation smoother too.
It does.
It's just beautiful.
The finish on it is super, super pretty.
And then for me in the summer, I just like to wear a BB cream. So that's what I'm going to wear right now.
And I've just never found a BB cream that I like very much, you know?
And I can already tell this is a little light and I'm tan. So
do you want to use
I
that?
have, is this medium dark?
It's the dark one. Just don't use a lot.
I'm just going to use like a dot on each part of my face. Too late. You're very tan.
Makeup ruined.
It'll blend.
Oh, and I forgot to tell them, before I came to do my makeup, I always feel prettier when I have a little bit of color to me. And so I use the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express, and I only put it on my neck and chest and kind of on my face, maybe a little on my arms. That way I could come and look a lot more tan.
Yes.
And it's easy because you can do this at home. It's like not that big a deal. Anyway, I do enjoy that stuff because it doesn't look orange. It looks more brown.
And I love how my face looks like my skin right now. Like this just looks so much like my skin. It's just evening my color out, which I really like.
And we're going to like our kids' softball game tonight. And so it is nice that you're not wearing as much makeup. I just can't help it. When my hair is slicked back, I just like to wear a lot of makeup. When my hair is done, I don't have to apologize.
Fun. You don't. And the thing is this is the thing, and I always do this. I start out, oh, this is really light, but then when you add the concealer and the blush and the bronzer, then it's like a full face. So I love starting out like this for me because it's just simple. But then when I add everything, it's like, boom, my makeup's done.
Yeah, and even though my concealer is super light, I'm still just gonna go with it because it'll be pretty. It'll blend. It'll be fine.
And I'm gonna do the same thing as Bonnie. My eye corrector, I could just leave my face like this and it would be fine. But I also like to add a little bit more coverage under my eye because I do have such deep set eyes. Lately, I have been not putting concealer up to my eye. What is it called?
Like right underneath your eye?
Yeah, because I just have been creasing so much, and I am not old. But I don't know, it's hard because you need to cover it up, but you don't want to crease.
I know. What I like to do too is once I get it on, I'll use my finger to kind of tap it out as well, just to make sure that it's not creasing up underneath your eye.
So are you adding fat powder to your whole face?
I am, but I'm not using as much as I kind of normally do. Like I'll put a little bit on my brush, dab here, 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 and then kind of blend it in, just like so that I'm using the absolute bare minimum.
Awesome.
Even to the point where it doesn't take off all the shine.
Yes. Setting my under eyes is crucial, so I am going to go in and just set where I put that concealer. Okay, we are all set. Bonnie and I are going to hurry and do our eyebrows. We've showed this a million times, so we're going to go ahead and skip that, and then we'll get into the rest of our face.
Okay, so we did an entire video on bronzing, so we're just going to quickly put this on, and if you want a more in-depth, oh my gosh, as I like pull up a thing right there, that's cute. If you want to learn how to do that, click the video in the description. Oh, yours is so pale and pretty. Maybe I should use yours.
This is a perfect summer blush.
I am debating if I should use that. I kind of picked like a more pinkier pink since my earrings were like bright.
Yes.
I'll stick to my blush, but oh my gosh, that is so pretty.
The last month I always do my highlighter, so that's pretty too, huh? This is like a pink highlighter.
Is that new?
This is from bolliebrand. I think this came in or I think I bought this. I bought this one a long time ago. It's pretty, huh?
I love pink highlighter, and pink highlighter is really hard to find. Like when I'm doing like an all pinky look.
This is from bolliebrand.
I'm definitely gonna use that too. Well, I'm gonna use it and see if I like it. I'll tell you right now if I do or not. Let's do this.
I used to put highlighter on the top of my nose, but lately I just do it just right here at the bottom, and it's just kind of pretty.
And I use a little tiny pencil brush.
Mm-hmm.
You guys know I do a dot. Oh, I just love that dot. Now it's a pink dot. And then a little line right here. And then I'll just take my bronzing brush and go again on the sides just to, I don't know what it does.
Kind of blend it all.
Yeah, just to like retouch.
Looks great. How does our highlighter look?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're going to get on with our eyeshadow. For the summer, I just like it very light and bright. I'm just going to use one eyeshadow today. I've already concealed all the redness so that it has like an even plate right now. So this is just a really simple eyeshadow that I'm just going to kind of go all over with my lid.
Mm-hmm. I'm just going to use my finger, and I don't often use my fingers, but in the summertime, it's so pretty. And my waitress had this the other day, and I was like, I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you that you can use the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Rose Pink, only because we've used this palette a lot. So if you've purchased it, I want to show you the option that you can use that color. It's similar, but not as light as I wanted for this look. So I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. You can tell that I love it. And basically in this top row, there's these 3 shades of pink, and I'm just going to dip my finger in all 3 of them and apply it to my lid. Yeah. And like, that's it. Like, that's all I'm going to do.
I love it, and I'm going to watch you do it.
Okay. I'm just going to pat my finger along my lid and just not go above my crease. And that will be my eyeshadow look for the day. And it's going to be so pretty. I'll take a clean brush. Okay, maybe it's not so clean. It's a little bit dirty, but that's probably a good thing. And I'll just smooth the edges like this so that that part looks blended. And that is the only thing I'm going to do for my eyeshadow today.
And then with my eyeshadow, it's just such a light color. I'm just going to start in the crease. And I'm just going to really work on the crease and then blend it everywhere else. It's pretty much the same color. There's just a little pigment on there to have it be a little shiny.
ColourPop actually sent a really fun package with these eyeliners in it. They came with like a white and a pink and a fuchsia. And I just thought, I'm just going to try these. And the other day I wore one, and they wore really well. They go on your lid super, super easy, even while I'm talking. But I'm just going to do a thin line across my lid.
So I'm getting ready to do my mascara, and remember last time when Bonnie said she hated this? I made her use it several times, and I think I sold her.
it's true. Well, I told her, I said, I don't like the mascara because it has those little balls on it. And she's like, yeah, I like that. I was just like, I don't know. But the more I've used it, the more I actually like it. So, yeah, I was glad that you forced me to do it.
I just think it makes your eyelashes look thicker and longer, and there's a lot of product on there, and I just love it.
Maybe it just took me a minute to learn how to work with it because you say, there is a lot of product on it, but I guess I just had to learn how to work with it.
Like, this is only like 1.5 coats, and it just looks so good.
Well, in my head, I thought, if you want lashes like Ellie, use the same product as Ellie, and it really does help. Go figure. I will say, I only put mascara on my top lashes because that's kind of the open look I wanted, or the cleaner look that I wanted. I like that you have it on top and bottom, but that's what I did.
And we love wearing a huge pop of color for summer for our lips. That's the funnest part of summer, is a crazy pop of color. So I am wearing a coral today.
And which goes so dang cute with your earrings. And I'm wearing just a pink to go with my earrings.
So fun.
I guess you know what I'm thinking. That this was just another fight. But be careful what you're drinking.
Ooh.
Okay.
Made it clear, made my move.
So pretty.
Oh, this is fun. I love this. I can't wait to take pictures of it.
It's been so fun getting ready together.
I know.
I want to do this every day.
I know. We hope you guys love these videos because they really are super fun for us to sit down and do. And we try to just sit down and do our makeup instead of try and mimic what everybody else is doing or really teach you. We just are doing what we're doing, and we
Having fun.
Yeah, and we hope that you learn from it. So
the last thing I'm going to use is setting spray. I had a few
Yes.
comments on my Instagram the last time I had posted a makeup look. I usually use the Morphe setting spray. The mist is amazing, and it doesn't give splotches on your face. It is the smoothest mist I have ever come across in a setting spray. If you live in a humid place or you have very oily skin, I would recommend not using this because this makes me feel a little more dewy. So if you have that issue, I would recommend the Urban Decay Chill setting spray. I feel like this just sets it, locks you in, and you're good to go.
I agree with what she said.
Ready to mist?
Yes, and I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime just because that's what I have, and it's my travel size. I'm literally out. I need to order more. And I don't like it as much because it's the spray, and it does leave drips on you, but it's just good.
And it's how come some of these companies haven't thought to change their
mister?
sprayer? This is one of
the only ones.
the inexpensive setting spray I have. I'm looking over at the other setting sprays I have that are way more expensive, and this mister is just so fine.
I know.
I love it.
It really is the best.
So other companies, you need to get on the
bandwagon.
bandwagon. This feels so good. I feel so fresh and light. I love that my hair is up. We're going to go make some lunch for our kids. We're going to go to a baseball game. This is perfect.
Oh, yeah. And this look, I feel like you can get away with doing anything. If I was going to a baseball game and I wanted to
still
look
fresh.
cute. Yeah, that's exactly what you look like. You look like a pulled back, fresh face, just fun summer gal.
And then, this still works for at night when we put our kids
date
to bed.
night.
You get a babysitter. I put on a little more lipstick. It's just fun.
Joel loves when I pull my hair back like this.
It's pretty. We
It's
should
just
do a
fun.
video on it. You would think that everyone knows how to pull their hair back, but I don't do that. I like how it looks so slick.
All right. Maybe I'll
So-
do a little mini one on my Instagram or something. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of the products will be listed in the description below. You can check those out along with our clothing line, bolliebrand.com. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.